Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. The previous days we went through a couple of tutorials on Binance, getting into your first crypto space journey. So if you had got it installed and if you had got some money onto your platform, congratulations. So this video what I'm going to cover is what Metamask is and how you can install Metamask. Metamask being a digital wallet, right? So the main benefit of Metamask as being a digital wallet is because not all coins are going to be inside of Binance or even Kucoin or any other exchanges. You will have to somewhere down the line. If you're exploring other opportunities, you might want to explore into the DeFi space, so which is decentralized finance. You get a ton of crazy coins out there which will give you insane passive income. So the MetaMask digital wallet will be your first step actually in terms of moving one step forward. So first things first, what you'll need to do is just understand that MetaMask is applicable to be run on your Google browser. So I would advise you to run this on Chrome, on your Chrome browser actually, and also you will be able to get this downloaded to your smartphone device as well. So maybe on the Apple App Store or maybe on the Google Store as well. So first things first, just Google up how to download MetaMask. Click on this first link, and basically you will be navigated to the home screen. So MetaMask, what really MetaMask does is you will be able to transfer money from different wallets. Imagine this as your own physical wallet, but actually this being in a digital space. So you will have all your digital currencies, may it be USDT, Ethereum, Bitcoins, to whatever cryptocurrencies that you have. You can store all of this in this particular wallet. You can send currencies, you can receive currencies. There's always a slight gas fee involved depending on which network you are, and we will come through the different networks as well in the near future when you advance into your journey of transferring money onto your wallets. Right, so first things first, as you can see, they're giving you specific options to download it on for Chrome, iOS, or Android. Install MetaMask for your browser. So first things first, what you need to do is click install MetaMask for your browser and basically add this to Chrome and add the extension. Once you add this extension, what will happen is this will get you downloaded immediately, and now you can see MetaMask has already been added. Right. The moment you download MetaMask, you will be navigated to the home page basically for you to start your registration. I would advise you to get a pen and paper because there is something called a secret key that you need to write down. It's about 12 words. This is basically like your password, which is a one-time password of a sort. And whenever you are changing your wallet to a different device, whenever you are trying to access it for the first time, you will be asked for this 12-word password, which is unique only to you. Nobody else would know it, and you should never ever tell this to anybody else as well. So do not even store it on your phone. I would really advise you to write it in a piece of paper, store it for life, frame it if you have to, somewhere secure, because this 12 word phrase is gonna be there for you for the rest of your life. So even if you buy a particular coin today and never look at crypto again and come back again, let's say in 10 years time, you will need this 12 secret key phrase. So this is going to be really important, even if you have to frame it. Even I haven't even framed it, so I'm even thinking about it, right? So right, moving on. So before we proceed, I would appreciate if you like this video, just smash that like button and do subscribe to my channel, because I will be coming up with a lot of more other tutorials into the crypto space, and I really hope that you enjoy the tutorials for your growth as well, right? So moving on, so click the get started button. Now you will be asked whether you have the secret recovery phrase. Remember, I was telling you this 12-word secret recovery phrase. That's this. So this basically is for you to import a wallet. Let's say you already have registered. In this case, if you haven't registered a particular wallet, you can always click the create a wallet button, right? and from here you can always just read these through. Click the I agree button, and you will be prompted for a new password, right? So this password, make sure that again this password you do remember it. It's written down somewhere, maybe not on your phone. I would not advise you to keep it on your phone, but have it written down somewhere. So let's enter the password and proceed to the next page. So once you've entered your password, tick the I have read and agreed to the terms of use. I would advise you just to click over this link and just scoop through and see what are the terms and conditions implied, and just tick this, click the create button. You're on your way to creating your secured wallet, right? So I would advise you to watch this video if it's quite new to you, but I will help you through this process. As you can see, what is a secret recovery phrase? You can see that your secret recovery phrase is a 12-word phrase that is the master key to your wallet and your funds. So like again, they're advising that you can save this in a password manager. Just Google up what a password manager is, install a couple of apps that's also really secure, store it in a bank vault, which is a little bit promiscuous, I would say. Store it in a safe deposit box, write it down, and store it in multiple secret places. This would be really advisable as well. Yeah, so as they're even saying here, and let me just move me away, it's saying never ever to share your secret recovery phrase, not even with Metamask. So even if you get contacted by the Metamask support team, and trust me, there are a lot of scammers out there, so you need to be really vigilant on your journey. So do not share this with anyone, not even with your wife, your husband, your son, your daughter, your mother, your father, anybody, right? So let's move on. You just need to click the next button, and let me just move me back again. Yeah, just click the next button, and your next activity here is the secret recovery phrase. Your secret recovery phrase makes it easier to back up and restore your account. Warning, never disclose again. I'm still re-emphasizing never to disclose this key to anyone. So all you just need to do is click here to reveal the secret word. You will get the secret word and then start writing this down. So let's move on to the next page. You just need to click the next button and then just move forward. That's it. So once you have written down that secret phrase, what you do next is, once you click the next button, you will be prompted to a page where you will have to select those secret recovery phrase keys. So do note that you need to select those keys in the particular correct order as it was given, and once you click the submit button, you're done. Your MetaMask wallet is created. Next thing is you would notice that the MetaMask wallet either might not be in your extension. So what you do is just click on the extensions button so that you can get this pinned. In the meantime, it should look like this, but if you click the pin button, you will always see the MetaMask icon over here. So you will firstly you will get the browser edition of the MetaMask where you can see your wallet details. But I would really say, in most instances you will be using the Chrome extension version. As you can see the different coins that you have. By default, when you create your MetaMask wallet, you will only get the Ethereum mainnet network. Now, I will show you how you can create different networks over here. The main purpose is because not all tokens, not all cryptocurrency coins operate on the same network. They each has a different network, right? So you will get the Ethereum network, the SmartChain network for Binance coins related. Then you will get the Avalanche network for the Avalanche based projects. You will also see the Polygon network for different coins, and even the Fantom network. So I will show you how you can create add these different networks onto your MetaMask wallet. I have created a different thread on Twitter a couple of months back. This link also will be added to this video as well. So simple activity is that you just need to click over to the MetaMask wallet, Ethereum network. When you select your first network, in your first instance you might not see this, so that I'm just deleting it for the moment just for our educational purposes. So you will see it as just Ethereum network. Just click the add network button, and from here all you need to do is just follow the steps that I have given. If you see the second thread, I have shown how you can add the Phantom Opera network. You can always click on the reference link that I have provided. So just scoop over to the settings and just copy paste these details over here. It's just a simple process, right? The symbol, make sure you have added the symbols, so the chain ID and even the block explorer URL. So once you do that, just click the save button, and now over here you will see the Phantom Opera network. As you can see, Phantom FTM being the main ticker, the main base coin of this particular network. So let's see how you can add the next network. So we have added the Phantom network. My third thread shows you how you can add the Avalanche network. So click over the link, you will see the settings over here, and just copy paste the details to add another network. So let's add the Avalanche network. I've just copied the network name. I'm going to copy the new RPC URL. I'm going to get the chain ID, the symbol, and then the explorer URL as well. Just click save, and as you can see, the Avalanche network has been added, avax being the main token for this network as well. So let's add another network, which is the SmartChain network. SmartChain, so basically for your Binance related transactions, Binance BNB being the main ticker. So let's add the Binance coin. Scoot over to the settings. As you can see, okay, SmartChain. So click here, add a network, SmartChain. URL has been copied. Chain ID is 56. Symbol is BNB. And the block explorer URL also has been copied. And there you go. I would advise you, once you create your Metamask wallet, just get this created. It would really save up a lot of time in future, because sometimes there can be instances when somebody sends you some currencies, or if you get an airdrop, and we'll learn what airdrops are in future as well. So even if you get an airdrop, sometimes you will not see it in the network that you are selected in. So and this sometimes it really scares the living crap out of anyone, because you are wondering, look, what happened to my money? I can't see it over here. But actually speaking, there are several reasons. Either the coin hasn't been added over to the Metamask wallet, or either you're not on the correct network. So do understand that networks play a major role when you're sending money. You can't just bluntly send money over to anyone. You need to ensure that you send money to the correct network. If you are not bridging your money, if you are just sending your money over in the same network, you need to ensure that your sender's network and the receiver's network is the same. So we will see in our future videos how you can send money from any other exchange over to your Metamask wallet, and vice versa, and furthermore how and the different activities that you can do on Metamask as well. So furthermore, just a couple of things that I just wanted to finalize on this. So as you can see, these are your different networks that you have. If you click over here, you can create any additional accounts. You can add multiple accounts that you want for several reasons, right? If you want to have different money in different wallets for any particular purpose, you can create any other account. You can import an account. And if you go to settings over here, if you go to the general settings, it's best if you can ensure that USD has been added as the primary currency. So since you're on the Ethereum network, it will say ETH is your primary currency. You have only two options, sadly, for your account identicon. So it may be a favicon maybe, or an icon. So you can either select this or the block keys icon, whichever that you prefer. So as you can see, that's the only change that will happen. You can't put your face or whatever, or profile picture. You could hide tokens without balances, so anything which is like in a decimal below 1 or below 0, like 0 point whatever, those balances will be hidden as well. So if you tick this option as well, if you scoot over to the advanced settings, you could reset your account. Most of these settings you might be needing at different instances, so nothing much that you will need to focus into right now since you are just registered. You can add your contacts. So your contacts meaning like if you want to add your own, let's say your Binance Avalanche network ID, your account number, you can add it over here. So these are some of the basic settings that you will need to ensure that you know. Now, what is your unique account ID is this. You can see if you just click copy to clipboard, this ID is your unique bank account number. Just imagine it's like a bank account number. So in this case, this is your wallet address. So this is the key that you will need to send to someone else if you're sending the money, and even vice versa if you're receiving the money as well. So we have covered the session. Now you know how to add a MetaMask wallet. You know how to add different networks onto the MetaMask wallet. In the next couple of videos, we will show how you can transfer and send and receive money over in your MetaMask wallet, and we will also see some passive income projects as well, and how you can start making money and get rich, right? I would really appreciate if you can smash that like button and do subscribe to my channel. It will really help the growth of this channel as well. And the main purpose of these videos are not for financial advice. It's just for educational purposes and to ensure that we all get rich together. And I mean, who doesn't like that, right? So I would really appreciate also if you could just check out my other videos that will appear over now. My previous videos, just check out on my playlist the different Binance tutorials of how you can register a Binance account, how you can send and receive money from your local accounts over to Binance. So thank you very much, and I hope to see you soon, and don't forget to subscribe.